The message was very loud and clear that don't wait for messages. India is a country where you don't expect somebody coming on a horseback. That was the message, that please don't wait for the message. And unless and until you change the entire structure, because this particular structure will not be able to carry the entire country. You need to have basic democracy. And what he said, I totally agree with him, that unless and until you do not democratize the system, is not going to work in 21st century. You need to have the voice of the people, not only by sending MPs and MLAs, because the MPs and MLAs you send are not necessarily the real representative of the people. They are chosen by very few people. They are nominated by the parties. I think the time has come where we need to have the grassroots in the parliament. And that's what I personally feel, and he spoke from the bottom of his heart. And I wish him a lot of luck, and I think we need to ponder over it, and we need to work all together, and India is amazing power. But this power will be only meaningful if everybody gets meaningful job, if everybody has education, if everybody has health. In short, the poor today need dignity, and you cannot have dignity without a proper living condition. No, I think CIA is doing whatever they are doing. I think they should move little out of their own cocoon of business, and they must also participate in nation building. Nation building is not only your own individual business. Of course it contributes, it gives a lot of job. But I think somewhere down the line, they must have the backbone of calling spade a spade and not be afraid of any government. They have got to be bold, and they have got to also look at the inclusiveness. They just don't have to clap the powers who are there. They have to make sure how they go down to the bottom. Because if the trickle-down system doesn't work, I am afraid the India story will not work. And CII is doing a great service. And that is where the churning of ideas are taking. And I wish CII all the very best too.